Most writers struggle with a common issue. They either write slowly or quickly, but end up rewriting everything. Efficiency isn't about racing to finish. It's about developing habits and systems that enable you to move from idea to finished draft with focus and clarity. In this lecture, we will learn how to write with intention and momentum, utilizing structure, tools, and time-saving techniques without compromising quality. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to build a repeatable, time-efficient writing workflow. Use simple outlining techniques to get unstuck faster. Apply structure and tools to avoid wasting time on edits. Why process matters more than speed. Writers who rush often get stuck, lose their flow, or spend more time fixing what they wrote than writing it. The issue isn't how fast you type, it's how well you plan. Writing isn't just about getting words on a page, it's about how you approach the task. Without a process, you're guessing your way through it. Here's a simple structure that makes writing easier. Clarify your goal. Know what you're trying to say. Outline the structure. Break it into sections or bullet points. Write freely. Don't edit while writing your first draft. Take a break. Step away before reviewing. Edit with focus. Improve what matters, not everything. When you follow a process like this, improves the quality and speed of writing. Plan first, write faster. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." This quote is a great reminder that time spent preparing or planning is not wasted. It's smart. Just like sharpening an axe makes cutting easier, planning your writing, even briefly, makes the drafting process smoother and more focused. Without a clear plan, you're more likely to get stuck or spend extra time fixing unclear sections later. You don't need a detailed outline, just enough to keep your thoughts organized and on track. Let's say you're writing an article titled "Tips for Better Sleep." A simple outline might look like this. Intro: Why sleep matters. Tip 1: Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Tip 2: Limit screen time before bed. Tip 3: Create a calm sleep environment. Conclusion: one small change to try tonight. This kind of plan gives your writing direction. It helps you stay focused, avoid repetition, and easily move from section to section. And the best part, a quick 5 to 10 minute outline like this can save you close to an hour during editing. Templates save time and mental energy. In an age where quality and speed matter, working smart is better than working endlessly. Templates are about cutting down on wasted time. They give you a clear starting point so you're not reinventing the structure every time you write. Far from limiting creativity, templates let you focus more on your message and less on figuring out where to begin. Examples: blog post, hook, problem, insight, action step. Email: greeting, story or offer, call to action, CTA, sign off. Product description: what it is, why it's useful, how to buy. Once you're familiar with a few templates, you can adapt them to almost any topic or format. Build a writing rhythm. Writing in short, focused blocks works better than trying to force a long writing session. Try the 25-5 method. Write for 25 minutes. Break for 5 minutes. Repeat. This keeps your energy up and your brain sharp. Avoid editing while writing. Save that for later. You'll get more done and make fewer mistakes. Also, don't underestimate the value of breaks or short pauses. A 10-minute break before editing gives you a fresh view of your own work. When you're stuck, talk it out. If you're staring at a blank screen, try this. Say your idea out loud, just like you'd explain it to a friend. Then write down what you said. This simple trick often helps you get unstuck, shifting your brain from writer mode to explainer mode. And that's usually where your clearest ideas live. Tools that support the process. Some tools are helpful, not because they write for you, but because they save time during the editing phase. Examples: Grammarly or Hemingway for grammar, tone, and clarity. Yoast SEO or Rank Math on WordPress for basic SEO checks. Notion, Google Docs, or a simple timer for workflow. Use them to catch repetitive phrases, clean up clunky lines, or check your readability. Just remember, tools are there to support your work, not think for you.